Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes. It's a C220 coupe. It's the AMG Sport. Absolutely fantastic condition indeed. Beautiful metallic blue colour. Don't see many in that colour at all. It's got the front park distance control, 5-spoke AMG alloy wheels. Really is in cracking condition. The rear park distance control with the deeper rear lower diffuser, twin exhausts. It's got a camera on it as well, I believe. Just look at the condition, it's in lovely condition. Low mileage example. AMG body styling kit all over it. Lovely kick plates there, heated seats, electric mirrors, electric windows, full leather interior, lovely condition, white stitch piping on it. Just start the car up. Sounds lovely. Get the mileage up, I'll get that up in a minute. So we've got the factory satellite navigation, reverse camera with park distance control, DAB radio, full media pack,
oil supplies which we're now dealing with,
climate control. It's only done 45,000 miles. 2 keys with it. Full iDrive system here. 6-speed gearbox. Cruise control. Multifunction steering wheel. Just look, there's just no wear on anything. It's in lovely condition. Passenger heated seats. Yeah. USB in there. DJH provide full dealer facilities including warranty, part exchange and finance. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.